Wyoming Republican Senator Cynthia Lummis with us right now, serves on so many important committees, but the big one, the crucial one right now is the banking committee that is weighing a lot of this stuff and how far to go. Senator, always great having you. Do you think it was a mistake to essentially rescue or backstop this bank?
I do think it was a mistake, Neil. I think it's better to allow the system to function as it was designed, with the $250,000 limits on insured deposits. And if you look at SVB, they had about 6% of their deposits insured. The typical bank has way over 50% of their bank deposits insured, and more of the community banks are closer to 60, 70, and even higher percent insured. So this was a very risky bank. They banked a lot of venture capital, risky money, and there were a lot of incentives for risk takers to bank with SVB. Because of that, SVB should be allowed to fail, and those people who put their money at risk there should have to eat the consequences.
What about the government, the FDIC, more to the point, Senator, protecting deposits way beyond $250,000, almost limitless?
Yeah, and the problem with that is that the smaller community banks are going to be assessed for providing the bailout money for those above $250,000 deposit amounts. So it's a disincentive to community banks, and it incentivizes people to take moral hazard and throw it out the window and say, nah, we'll get a bailout, so let's take more risk. And that is just a bad signal to send to depositors and to the banks themselves.
It's a gut call on your part, Senator. Your opinion matters to a lot of people, obviously, but the Federal Reserve is going to move on interest rates one way or the other next week. Others are saying maybe it shouldn't. Maybe it should take a pass and not hike rates as most expect it will. Others say it should. Where are you on this, and what do you think would happen if they did?
Well, I think it's important that the Fed stay the course they had designed. They may want to look at going with, for example, 25 basis points rather than 50. I don't know what they're considering now, but I think it's important that we get inflation under control. You look at the prices that consumers are paying for everyday items like food. I'm hearing from people say, I hate going to the grocery store now because I can't afford the items that I used to buy. When I'm hearing that at home in Wyoming and elsewhere, that says to me that inflation should come first in terms of addressing the problems at hand.
Got it. All right. Senator Lummis, great catching up with you again. Be well.
Thank you. You as well, Neil.